Here's how to change your fuel filler door assembly. Here's the broken one. My video won't be that great because I already did it, but take everything out, all your boxes and stuff. Take all that out. So your back end's going to look like this because this one box is going to be here, and you're going to have screws in there, over there, one there. You'll have to take those out because they're attached down over here, right here, right here. Then you're going to pull off this trim, take that off. It's all clips. 3 screws, 1, 2, and 3. Take those out and you should be able to pop this whole panel out. Keep in mind to open up this so that you can fit that through. This whole thing swings away. You're going to come take out all those screws in there, and you're going to want to pop that plastic ring off with your fuel filler cap off. Pop that plastic ring off. This thing should squeeze and come out after you've released your fuel door pin, but inside there's a clip. From the inside, push down. You push down on this part and down over here. That thing should come out, as well as this whole door. It's going to want to come out like this. Okay, just quick video. Just wanted to save some people some time and money, and that's how I fixed my fuel filler door cap. Was not wanting to release. Even the emergency release didn't want to work.